I never throw away orange peels again. My grandmother told me this secret. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Have you ever looked at seemingly useless orange peels and quickly thrown them away? However, within those tiny shells lies a miracle that very few people know about. Today, I want to take you on a warm journey, where every step is gentle and filled with sweet fragrance. With just a little time, you can turn ordinary orange peels into tiny gifts that brighten up your kitchen. The end result will definitely surprise you, and when you taste it, you will exclaim that it is unbelievably delicious. Come join me and see how something that many people throw away can become so great. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare 1.5 kilograms thick-skinned tangerines. Peel the tangerine. We will use the pulp later. Next, put the tangerine peels in a large bowl. Add enough water. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda. Soak the tangerine peel in baking soda water for about 30 minutes. Remove the white part on the outside and inside of the shell. Rinse the shell with plenty of water. Put the shell in the pot and add water. Boil over medium heat for 5 minutes. Then pour out the water. Add new water to the pot and bring to a boil. When the water boils, add the peels and continue to boil for another 5 minutes. This will help remove the bitterness from the tangerine peel, guaranteed to remove the bitterness. Where are you watching the video? Leave a comment. Rinse the shells. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. And put them in the pot. Add 1 cup, 225 milliliters, orange or grapefruit juice. 700 grams sugar, put half the sugar in the shell. Add the tangerine flesh. Add the remaining sugar. And let stand for 5 minutes. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Leave as is. Simmer uncovered for 25 minutes. Use a blender if needed. Subscribing to my channel is completely free. I would love it if you would subscribe. Add 1/2 cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon butter. Cook for another 20 minutes. Let cool slightly, then check consistency. When desired consistency is reached, add the juice of 1 lemon. Cook for another 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. Take out the cinnamon stick. You can support me by sharing this video. Pour hot tangerine jam into sterilized jars. Fill the bottle. I really appreciate it if you like my videos. Don't forget to like it. Seal tightly with a new sterilized lid. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Turn upside down or cover with a towel to cool slowly. When the lid is concave, the jar has been successfully vacuum sealed. Store vacuum-sealed jars in a cool, dry place. They will last for years. I opened a jar to show you how thick the jam is. Leave a comment or like. You can have it for breakfast or incorporate it into many cakes and desserts. With its wonderful aroma and taste, it is truly a sweet treat. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend you do. Once you create this delicious tangerine jam yourself, you'll see that it was worth it. Just a small spoon is enough to bring a sweet, warm feeling to the whole family. Hopefully, this small gift from Tangerine Peel will make your kitchen more bustling every day. If you try it, please come back and share your feelings so I can enjoy it with you.